Hello everybody, welcome to my new episode of How to do RC to the 100-inch homemade RC plane FPV upgrade, because this is project episode number 5 where we did the FPV upgrade, a small all-in-one FPV camera with a 1-cell battery, just keeping it 10 grams, super light at the rear. So we have a 3D view of a plane just like in the game, and to make it really handy we have a new FPV receiver, 5.8 gigahertz receiver that connects to your telephone. It makes this a super simple package that you can carry in your pocket, making it very easy to carry around with you all the time. And at the same time it also records the video on your phone, so it is a 5.8 gigahertz receiver and DVR in one. And that's for only 50 bucks. That was a steal. That was just a pure gem. And I put of course the links down below. And of course there will be coming an unboxing and a review on how to connect it to your telephone. And you can also connect it to your laptop and PC. But it needs to be Android. That's what I want to say. This is going to be 2 tests in one. First flight FPV. And the first time we're going to use the eScene Rod Geo1. But I don't know how much range we have. This is all going to be a test. Let's get on with it. Coming up at the plane, everything seems to still work, even the motor works, so I don't know why it lost power and went down, but it's all okay, perfect for a second time and second try. Well, it already proved that it worked pretty good, and it's pretty simple to carry it around. Here's your telephone, and you got your FPV receiver in your other pocket, and you're ready to go. Ready for takeoff, flying FPV, just a simple package that you can carry with you. I'm really liking it. The FPV could go of course better. There's also simple having the dipole antenna sticking up the correct way. It was just laying on the ground. I'm just trying it out. Hopefully we have better luck next time. I hope you like this video and give the thumbs up. And I hope you subscribe for the next episode where we're going to really try it out with a long flight FPV. It's gonna be pretty nice and pretty awesome with a lot better camera. This is just try out. And pretty good test for the first test. I'm pretty liking it, and I'm gonna say goodbye. Until next time.